Hello, hi friends. Good morning. Today we'll see DXP. This website name. In this, full all the things education purpose. This very useful will be service, service and product. All the things are here available. Will be free complete. All the things here you can see chemicals, food and gas, oil, energy, mining, all the things here you can see. And here the parts and I mean material, metal working. Here gas pump solution, and all the things are available complete free. Now we'll see one. Okay, mining we'll see. Okay, mining became. Just will scroll down, we'll see all the information you can see here. And explore your solutions. And here see we can learn more. Here given you can see, just will scroll down. Here you can see that materials things here given. We can tap and we can verify. Now we'll see here learn more given. Here also you can download DXPS free guide to rotating. Here given. Thank you for watching. You can something you can knowledge will be getting very useful, very nice website. You can use it. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel.